Hello students, today we are here to read about drinking water. What is drinking water? Let's read here. You are aware that you should drink safe water only. Here students, do you know that you should drink only safe water? The water which is purified, the water which is coming from RO or the water which is boiled. You should have only safe water. We should not drink any water that we get obtained from some sources may have germs and other impurities. We should not have water which comes from sources. And how are these sources? Those sources consist of germs and other impurities. If we get water from these sources, we will get sick, we will get ill. A large part of the earth covered with water is called a sea. The part which covers our earth from three sides, it is called sea. Sea water is salty. How is sea water? It is salty. It is not useful for drinking. The water obtained from some of the lakes may also be salty. Not only sea water, but the water which comes from some lakes, it may be salty, and salty water is very harmful for us. The water from rivers and lakes is not fit for drinking, dear students. Here it is that the water which comes from rivers and lakes, it is also not fit for drinking. As I told you earlier, we should have purified water. Now here is the question, why should not we drink such water which comes from rivers and lakes? It contains mud, disease causing germs, dry leaves and other things. What does it have? Which type of things it have? And we have to see why don't we drink the water which comes from rivers and lakes, because it consists of mud and dry leaves and other things, and it consists of germs that may be cause of disease. When we get this water, we will fall ill. To protect ourselves, we should not drink water which comes from rivers and lakes. Water from springs and deep well is safe to drink. Why does the water which comes from springs and deep is safe for us? You know, because it comes from deep ground. Because it comes from underground and it usually contains no germs or impurities. Okay students, in the cities we get water from reservoirs. What is reservoirs? Here we are to know about reservoirs. It is treated to make fit for drinking. A reservoir is a large tank. What is reservoir? It's a large tank. Here is the picture of reservoir. It's a very big tank. It is connected with pipes. It connects with pipes. And these pipes goes to our home. To each and every home. Like see here in this picture. In our kitchen water tap, we get water from these pipes, and these pipes are connected with this reservoir tank. Okay students, pipes are used to take water from tank to taps. Pipes are used to take water. These pipes take water from these reservoir tank, and these pipes reach the water to our water tap. They are connected to our water tap. And where is water tap? Water taps are available in our houses. This water is safe for drinking. Why is this water safe for drinking? Because it is treated. Because the water which is available in this reservoir, it is treated. It is purified. In some parts of our country, people depend on wells for water. Villagers fetch water from wells for their kitchen and toilets. But there are still many places where there is no facility of these reservoirs. Then how do people survive? People need water everywhere. Then they depend on wells. They fetch water from wells for their cooking and for their other uses as washing clothes, doing dishes, and for many purpose, for other purpose, they use water from wells. In the rainy season, tap water sometimes become unfit to drink. We should boil the water before use. The water which comes from water tap, sometimes it is not fit to drink. We should boil it before drinking it. Here we are to know we should save water. Water is important for our life. We must save water. As we know, everyone needs water. And there are many places where water is in less quantity. They people have to bring water from far to fulfill their demand, to carry out their day-to-day activities. They bring the water from far. That's why we should not waste water. Here it is written, we should not waste water. When you turn on a tap, never forget to turn it off. Dear students, at our home we have water tap, and to get water we have to turn it on. But sometimes it happens that we forget to turn it off. That should not be. We should be cautious for this, that if we have used water, we should not leave it running water. We should always turn it off. Do not throw waste in wells and rivers. As we know, rivers and wells are always opened. We should not throw the rubbish in wells and rivers. Otherwise, gradually they become dirty and the water which is in them becomes dirty also. Not only rivers and wells, the water which is available in them, which is present in them, becomes dirty. Always drink safe water. We have read earlier that we should drink always safe water. We should drink always purified water, which is either boiled or we get from RO. If you store water in the home, make sure that it is clean and covered. If your mother and you have stored water, you should make sure that you should not leave it uncovered. We should cover it from the perspective of protection it from lizard and any other insects. And dust may also enter in it, because we always store water purposely. Anyhow, we have to use it. That's why we should be conscious from the perspective of its cleanliness. It should be cleaned. It doesn't matter, it's for washing clothes. Our clothes are also we washed with cleaned water. Okay students, I hope you have understood a lot about water.